Welcome to Malta, the Mediterranean's hidden gem. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and endless adventure, Malta is a dream destination for travelers. Whether you're here for the culture, the history, or simply the beauty, this island has something for everyone. Join us as we explore the top 10 things to do in Malta in 2024. First on our list is Malta's magnificent capital, Valletta. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a living museum. Founded by the Knights of St. John in 1566, Valletta is a city that tells stories at every turn. Start your journey at the Upper Baracca Gardens, where you can take in panoramic views of the Grand Harbor, one of the world's most beautiful natural harbors. Be sure to visit St. John's Cathedral, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Inside, you'll find Caravaggio's largest painting, The Beheading of St. John, along with intricately detailed gold leaf decorations that will leave you speechless. Don't miss the Grand Master's Palace, where you can see the opulent rooms that once hosted the leaders of the Knights of St. John. Finally, walk the vibrant streets filled with cafes, boutique shops, and historical landmarks like the National Museum of Archaeology, making Valletta a perfect blend of past and present. Number 2 on our list is the Blue Lagoon, located on the tiny island of Comino. If you're looking for a slice of paradise, this is it. The Blue Lagoon is famous for its vivid turquoise waters and dramatic rock formations. It's the perfect spot for a refreshing swim, snorkeling, or simply floating in the calm sea. Comino is practically uninhabited, making this lagoon a peaceful escape from the crowds. For adventure seekers, explore nearby caves or take a boat ride around the island for more hidden gems. Arrive early to beat the crowds, or visit during the off-season for a more tranquil experience. Next, we take you to Mdina, Malta's ancient and magical silent city. Mdina served as the island's capital during medieval times and is famous for its fortified walls and narrow, winding streets. Walking through Mdina is like stepping back in time. You can almost feel the history beneath your feet. Visit the St. Paul's Cathedral, a stunning example of Baroque architecture. The cathedral is not only beautiful but historically significant, as it is believed to stand on the site where Roman governor Publius met St. Paul. As you wander, make sure to stop at Fontanella Tea Garden for some delicious cake and incredible views over the Maltese countryside. Mdina's serene atmosphere and historic charm will leave you in awe. Fourth on our list is one of the most unique and mysterious places on Earth, the Hypogeum of Al Saflieni. This ancient underground burial site, dating back to 4000 BC, is a marvel of prehistoric engineering. The Hypogeum consists of a series of chambers carved into the rock, where the dead were laid to rest in Malta's Neolithic era. The structure was discovered accidentally in 1902 during construction work and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. To preserve this wonder, the number of daily visitors is strictly limited, so be sure to book in advance if you want to experience this hauntingly beautiful site. The Hypogeum is a testament to the ingenuity and spiritual depth of Malta's ancient civilization. Number 5 brings us to the charming island of Gozo, Malta's quieter and more rural counterpart. The citadel, located in the heart of Gozo's capital, Victoria, is a fortified city that has been standing since the Bronze Age. As you walk its walls, you'll get sweeping views of the island's rolling hills, farmland, and coastline. Another highlight on Gozo is the Gontia temples, one of the world's oldest freestanding monuments, predating even the pyramids of Egypt. These temples are over 5,500 years old and provide a fascinating look into Malta's prehistoric past. Gozo also offers plenty of quiet beaches, picturesque villages, and incredible diving spots for those who want to relax or explore the island's natural beauty. Sixth on our list is the charming Marsaxlokk fishing village, located in the southeastern part of Malta. Marsaxlokk is famous for its traditional Lutsu boats, painted in bright blues, yellows, and reds, with the Eye of Osiris painted on the front to ward off evil spirits. This village is perfect for a leisurely afternoon stroll along the waterfront, explore the Sunday fish market, or enjoy fresh seafood at one of the many local restaurants. Marsaxlokk offers a glimpse into Malta's traditional way of life, and the peaceful harbor views make it a must-visit for any traveler. 7th on our list are the Arkim and Nidra temples, two of the most important prehistoric sites in the world. These megalithic temples, dating back over 5,000 years, are located on a hilltop with stunning views of the Mediterranean. Arkim is remarkable for its large stone slabs, some weighing over 20 tons, while Nidra is known for its precise alignment with the solstices and equinoxes. Visiting these temples offers a fascinating look into Malta's prehistoric civilization, and the surrounding landscape adds to the sense of awe and wonder. Next, we head to the Dingley Cliffs, the highest point in Malta and one of the island's most dramatic natural landscapes. These towering cliffs rise over 250 meters above the sea, offering stunning views of the Mediterranean. It's the perfect spot for a peaceful hike or a romantic sunset picnic. For those seeking solitude and natural beauty, the Dingley Cliffs provide a sense of tranquility and connection with nature that is hard to find elsewhere. Make sure to visit the Chapel of St. Mary Magdalene, perched on the edge of the cliffs, for a quiet moment of reflection. At number 9, we have the fun and quirky Popeye Village. Originally built as the set for the 1980 live-action film Popeye, this village has been transformed into a family-friendly theme park. With its brightly colored wooden houses, boat rides, water activities, and live shows, Popeye Village offers a day of fun for both kids and adults. Whether you're taking part in interactive movie scenes, exploring the mini golf course, or enjoying a swim in Anchor Bay, this village is a great way to enjoy a playful and relaxed day. Last but not least, we take you to Malta's three cities, Vittoriasa, Sanglia, and Cospicua. These three fortified cities played a crucial role during Malta's turbulent history, particularly during the Great Siege of 1565. Today, they are filled with historic landmarks, beautiful churches, and stunning views over the Grand Harbor. Take a stroll along the waterfront, visit the Inquisitor's Palace, or explore the Maritime Museum for a deep dive into Malta's naval history. For a truly authentic experience, hop on a traditional Maltese boat, called a jigeza, to explore the harbor as the locals did centuries ago. Malta is a place where ancient history, stunning landscapes, and modern adventure come together. From prehistoric temples to vibrant cities and tranquil beaches, Malta has something for every traveler. Make 2020 for the year you explore this Mediterranean gem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration and tips.